Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the upscale community of Unity Hall, Spring Gardens is this magnificent half-acre property consisting of two lovely houses. Subdivision has been approved by Parish Council. These two houses are surrounded by beautiful lawn, pine trees, palm trees, and flowers. The main house has 2 stories, the top floor consisting of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, while the downstairs has 1 bedroom and 1.5 bathroom, kitchen, living and dining area, carport and laundry room. The second house has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. This property can be used as a family dwelling, but it's also ideal for an income earner. Suitable for Airbnb. It is located close to guest houses, restaurants, beach, etc. There is a beautiful view of the ocean from the master bedroom of the main house, and it takes just a minute or two walking distance to take a dive into a cool Caribbean sea. Guys, let's take a look at these houses, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for these houses are US 640,000 or Jamaican $98.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.